besties, we're back with another baby boomer look. Now we've already shown you just how easy it is to create an ombre with dip using the technique from one of our educators. Now let's put this technique to the test. We're gonna use one of the hardest colors there is to ombre with, black. Let's see how this look's gonna turn out. Let's get started. I'm applying the bond to the natural nail plate. This is gonna help dehydrate the nail. With the base, we just like to put a line on the edge of the nail, and this is gonna start building our apex. We need a good foundation. Now I apply base to 3/4 of the nail, and I'm avoiding those sidewalls. And now I'm just gonna dip right into this natural. Dust off that excess powder again. I'm gonna be using Bare Skin from the Nude collection. Oh my God, this color is the perfect nude. Now we're gonna apply the base, hairline away from the cuticle, and dip straight into that beautiful color. Dust, dust, dust. We never want to forget this step, guys. Apply the base to the complete nail now and dip right into our color. As always, we're going to use our trusty recycling system to encapsulate this nail with clear. Tap, tap, tap. Dust, dust, dust. All right, guys, this step is super important. We want to seal and protect. This is going to activate the nail. We want to saturate the nail completely because without this step, this nail is never going to dry. Now I'm going to file and shape the nail. And as you notice here, I'm only filing. I don't want to buff it because we are going to use the gel method over dip, and we don't want to leave this nail smooth. We want to leave it nice and rough for the gel to adhere. We're going to use base coat. We're going to apply a thin layer of base to the complete nail. And we're going to flash cure for no more than 10 seconds. Using the clear, I'm going to dip the complete nail in here. This is the first step to getting this ombre. Now the hard part. Black. We're using our black to black from Kiara. Okay, here goes. Let's dip in the tip and slowly work our way up. If you feel like you're needing more color, just simply bounce it a little higher to get that perfect fade. If you see that your tip is not completely saturated to your liking, then just dip a few more times. The more you dip in, the darker the color gets. But remember, less is more. Okay, moment of truth. Let's dust this off. Let's see what we got. This is looking good. Look how beautiful it's fading. We want to cure this for 60 seconds. All right, now let's encapsulate the nail with non-wipe top coat. Oh my God, this looks amazing. Yes. And did you guys see how easy this was? This was a breeze. Anybody could do this. We want to cure this for 60 seconds. And now let's finish this off with Nourish oil to give us proper hydration. And there you have it. This nail is bomb with black. I love it so much. Would you guys rock this look? Please let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell to be the first to see these awesome tricks we try. All right, see you next time. Bye, besties.